dyan ang tapat ng San Bernay. Dan rabu-rabuan alam mo banwa. Kita na kami na rin. Kan boto na isibu-sibu siya ni banwa. Sa taran no bagi mo ni kuha. Ni mo baka muli-muli tagin ano. Meron ni kalungat ano na banwa. Kano ngin nakitutugo na isibu-sibu siya Sara. Sa angwaran no mo rumata na singa ni kuha. Yan, tambol na bata.
Навальный войса туго кем до натуран кем марамас на туго мен венгаравикина. Со татона гир навалис лес. Раве венгаравикина. А татона гир танanga no meni nasni kor венгаравиту no meni bekoko. Done tavim bimbi rangaravich ne besinga. Ana kere kem ni na turani koro kem dona turani bonu merngai merang buki tel tonga ne tabrangara no matentu e kela to kwa no sanga me vina kana mbula ni lewe bichi e vida na be matangali ka me za ka mera vina kina dua kem dan le bonu me taba mure na be kaso ka tiga kana donu lengun donu unun donu ya bala tanda ngom don ma ya bala kina kunta sandam bitunga ken koro wera be des mera ngarab na no tabi werta nasni kor ne tabi le bitu Sa kira taranga vito koni vernas ni koro vito koni taranga verna valse si matentu erna vengaravi chigani veke wani and vitam bamba kisa tuni liu hausa ni takatarjunga ni na valini wengo mena kuni kina na valingu me kuni kina na mbula rambula kina na ndakawa rambula chikini kwa kawambi biura lubenda ramburi kanda chigomai ni mai chiu so bana ngan turani tala chiu so bana turani bonua ni chiu na turang kina marama ni bosota ke rong saka tu no go bosa vi kemni kana sigini kwa au ni taka ni vida normal ni bosa me wasa vi kanda ni sigini kwa na buki kanda kana kuchi kanda ni kiliu meroni dam bulera ke endo na sabatu binaka dona busu binaka na chiuchingo dona viti binaka vi kanda na bulu chini kwa bat kenda na viti binaka veira ernge muri kanda mai ni me chiki somna turang mendo chino go bosa laga na sigini kwa me kana kada me ndola chino valli wengo sabato kana kenda lew Nakalaw? Yep, navarro question revenue go, may nandang talaga na vali ni way go we. Nangata. Alright, ready? Alright, naka. Yep. Ano ba natin sila na kingo, mentor line na vali way away. Alright. Natara kita masuk sang. Already. Full set. Thank you. Alright. Sabi ratu. Masih nanas nanti. Oh, satu itu. So the bomba dalam mana? Tapi sana tak lagi. Bisa cium apa lagi?
Awak cium spesies di Makau itu nangat nangat. Cium di kawan.
Namu.
Lalu sport raya, organization. Awak cium cipitir di kawan.
Oh, the message today was basically showing appreciation for everybody that was involved in putting this project together, the various government departments and ministries, the landowners for making the land available and putting all that together. We also emphasized the importance. This was World Suicide Day Prevention yesterday. So we're We also talked a bit about that. We talked about the importance of mental health and the importance to make sure that if people have mental issues that we should discuss. I raised the fact that there are more people dying of suicide in Fiji than people are dying from road accidents. Road accidents is maybe 50 to 60 deaths per year, but in terms of suicides, about 120. So it's a much bigger problem now. And there's a need for members of the community to start taking some action on these things. We also talked about the importance of the public, their role in health. We talked about the importance of what people eat, make sure they eat the right kinds of foods, make sure they drink the right kind of liquids, make sure they breathe the right kind of air, make sure they have the right kind of ideas. All of these things lead to a healthy and successful life. And the last thing that we also talked about today was all of these things that are happening about people trying to create own little governments around this part of Fiji. So we talked about that, the fact that it's not allowed constitutionally, and government has a role to play in making sure that doesn't happen. And because this is an area that most people are Christian, being a Christian myself, I also referred to the Bible and talked about the fact that even biblically, it says in Romans 13 and all that all governments are put in place by God. So if that's the case, then we should not agitate about it. We talked about the fact that all the things that are important to the Itoke, their land, their culture, their traditions, their chiefs, these things are protected in the Constitution. So there is no need to agitate. All we need to do is work together with government so we can continue to build a better Fiji for those that live today and for those that follow us. We also commended these facilities to the people in the area to look after our nurses. We commended the important role that we have of the community health workers, Nasnikor. And we ask for the community to also support them. So we're here in this ridge that I'm told on one side we have the Singatoka River, it's very cold. On the other side we have the Mbar River, the Tualita. We hope that this nursing station will provide a source of life to help people in this area, but ultimately at the end of the day, most of health is in people's own hands. And that's hopefully the message that will go across to the community here, that they start implementing in their own little communities. The government is very committed to what we have in the Constitution. The Constitution gives people a right to health. This year we've had a record budget in the Ministry of Health, where a lot of it has been focusing on capital projects and the Big Mbar project and so forth. But there'll continue to be a lot of emphasis on making health accessible. In these areas, population is only 544. It's a small population, but it's isolated. So government needs to bring that service here, and we're actually here. So we'll continue to do this. We have a lot of requests all the time, people wanting to set up stations, but we need to look at a whole range of different criteria, population density, remoteness, and when we find that it's appropriate to set up a station, we'll try to make sure that that is done. We always have to weigh things. Sometimes, obviously, in a place like Suva, the density is very high. In places like this, the challenges are different. Our nurses here have to walk 4 hours to get to remote places. But we need to take all that into account, and we will continue to try to do this. I know that there's other health stations or nursing stations that we'll be setting up in Ra and other places. So we will try to balance out to make sure as much as possible that people have a shorter distance as possible where they are to where they can get assistance from our workers.
So partnerships maybe with business houses, you could maybe...
Yes, we have a lot of partnerships with people, especially we have boards of visitors, mainly around urban areas. But we invite businesses if you would like to help us in setting up these stations, even though people here, they don't really consume a lot of the products that businesses sell. But nevertheless, they are still citizens of Fiji. They need to be able to access as many of the services as possible. So we welcome partnerships, collaboration to assist people in remote areas.